Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download games or updates when the PlayStation 5 is turned off and you're away. So the first thing we want to check is our settings. So let's go up to settings and then go on down to system. And scroll on down under here to system software update and send settings. Just make sure this is set to automatically update for your system software and install automatically. So once that's set up, we can back out and then go on down under here. And we're going to be looking for an option called power saving. Go to features available in rest mode and just make sure this is turned on. We have stay connected to the internet. We want that on, and then we should be good from there. Then we can back out and we want to go on down to where it says save data in game app settings, and then go to automatic updates, auto download. Your PS5 will check for latest updates and downloads for your PlayStation 5 games. And then you have auto install in rest mode. So we want to turn this on as well. So this should update your games and download them in rest mode as well as the system software. So you can go to a game now. So go on over to your game library, go to your collection, and then just simply download something now. So we got Psychonauts 2. I can download this to my PlayStation now, and it should be added to my download folder under here. So if I want to walk away from my PlayStation now, what I want to do is go to the PlayStation button, go all the way over to power, and then go to enter rest mode this time. This will charge your controller, download updates, and suspend your game. So if you got a game downloading and you put it into the rest mode, it will continue to download when you're away. And this should only cost you like maybe $10 to $11 each year. It's not going to take a lot of energy and it's not going to cost a lot of money. So on the front of your PlayStation 5, if you press the power button once, it's going to put it into rest mode and it's going to have like an orange light on. So you know it's in rest mode. Now, if you hold the power button down, it's going to put it into the turn off mode where it's going to completely be turned off and there's going to be no orange light on the front. So just look at that as an option. So you want to enter rest mode for your games to stay updated or to download in the background. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.